Now there are many players on the AI horizon. NVIDIA, Tesla, and my company KT are the major players in the AI service, AI chips, and so on. Now Microsoft, our partner in Korea, is also trying to get some pie from the AI industry. Let's find out what the company is trying to do. They are our partner, right? Microsoft. We are selling Microsoft's Teams phones, Microsoft M365, and so on. So let's see how our partner is trying to do. Where KT is already doing well. Microsoft takes aim at Google, Amazon, and NVIDIA with a new AI chip. This article is written by Daniel Howley, technology editor, Tuesday, January 27th. Microsoft MSFT is taking aim at cloud rivals Amazon and Google with the debut of its next generation custom AI chip, right? Taking aim at, called Maia 200. The chip will run in Microsoft's own data centers before the company eventually makes it available to its wider customer base. Like Google's TPUs and Amazon's Trainium processors, Microsoft's second AI chip is meant to give the Windows maker more flexibility when it comes to how it powers its AI services. By using its own internally developed chips, the company ensures it doesn't have to rely solely on processors developed by NVIDIA or AMD, right? I bought a stock in AMD and Intel. Small, like, I don't know, 5, 10. Google and Amazon have been using their own custom chips for years, while Microsoft has been slower to adopt in-house AI silicon. According to Microsoft, the Maia 200 will be built using TSMC's 3-nanometer process and is designed to run large-scale AI workloads while delivering efficient performance per dollar. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella attends the 56th Annual World Economic Forum WEF meeting in Davos, Switzerland, January 20th, 2026. Reuters, Dennis Balibaus. The Maia 200 will be built into large server racks with trays housing 4 chips each. A tray will host 4 chips each. Microsoft is also touting how quickly it can deploy the new chips into data centers, saying chips are installed and running AI models within days of parts arriving. Getting AI servers up and running quickly is an important aspect of the broader data center business. Up and running, right? Up and running. It's not just a matter of keeping construction costs down either. The longer a chip goes unused, the less cash it can generate for the company by running AI apps. Okay, that's bad, right? Up and running. The Maia 200 adds to the growing competition NVIDIA is facing from both AMD and its own customers. Microsoft's Maia 100 already powers both the company's and OpenAI's AI models, while Google and Amazon both power their respective models and Anthropic's models. And in November, the information reported that Meta was talking to Google about using the research giant's TPUs in its own data centers to power its AI services. That sent NVIDIA stock down at the time as Wall Street raised fears that the company was in danger of losing market share. NVIDIA's stock price is up less than 1% since the start of the year. Microsoft, right? MS. So $30 more from the second Q of last year. Despite the incursions into NVIDIA's lane, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are unlikely to pose a serious threat to the AI leader. Experts say that while the cloud companies' AI chips may function well for their own services, that's not likely to translate to smaller third-party customers as easily. NVIDIA's chips are also highly coveted because they are designed to be multi-purpose, allowing companies to use them for a litany of applications and services. A litany of a series, right? A litany of applications and services. So KT provides a litany of all telecom applications and services in Korea, and also we are one of the major global players in the global telecom market. As for performance, the Maia 200 won't unseat NVIDIA, but Microsoft aims to outpace both Google's latest TPU and Amazon's newest Trainium chip in a number of categories, right? The Maia 200 also packs more high bandwidth memory than Google's and Amazon's offerings, which is key to running high-powered AI applications. Interesting. Email Daniel Howley at dhowley@yahoofinance.com. Follow him on Twitter at Daniel Howley, right? This article first appeared on Guru Focus. Microsoft Core is ramping up its artificial intelligence infrastructure ahead of its fiscal second quarter earnings report, winning approval to build 15 additional data centers in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, while launching its second generation AI chip, Maia 200. Wow, so in Mount Pleasant, they are building not just one, but 15 additional area. With the Microsoft architecture, it is called AS, right? What does AS stand for? Area, AZ, right? AZ, area zone, right? Architecture zone, AZ. AZ stands for, I got AZ 104, and AZ stands for Asia, right? Asia. But here, AZ means area, right? Several data centers in one area. They fall into one big default zone, right? When fault occurs, they are just one fault domain. Microsoft's largest data center project, worth over $13 billion, will expand its 9 million square foot facility. Cloud and AI services for OpenAI and other enterprise clients will be supported by the expansion. Maia 200 is aimed for faster, more efficient AI inference. Built on Taiwan Semiconductor's 3nm technology, the chip has over 100 billion transistors and can perform up to 100 petaflops in FP4 mode, 3 times faster than Amazon's Trainium 3 and more efficient than Google's TPU v7. Due to robust Azure cloud growth, analysts predict Microsoft to deliver adjusted earnings per share of $3.91 on $8.03 billion in revenue, up 21% and 15% year over year. YOY, right? Year to date, YTD. Year over year is YOY. Microsoft shares have up 8.2% in the past year, and analysts have a strong buy rating and an average price target of $618.85, meaning 32% upside. So this one, right, was from Yahoo Finance. Microsoft takes aim at Google, Amazon, NVIDIA, and NVIDIA with a new chip called Maia 200. They refer the chip manufacturing to TSMC in Taiwan, Samsung's strong competitor. TSMC is renowned for a renowned company as a foundry manufacturer, right? Samsung is AI chip, memory chip leader, followed by SK Hynix, right? I like both companies. TSMC sounds okay with me. I visited Taiwan 3 times so far. So I like both Chinese and Taiwanese. As a matter of fact, I will travel to Xi'an, China this Friday morning. So Xi'an people, here I am, and welcome me with your opened arms. I'll be visiting Bing Mayong and Qinshu Huang's Miao, and also Bu Yecheng, Da Tang Furong Wen, Da Yan Ta, and Xi'an Bi, right? Bi, Xi'an Fortress, and Muslim quarters, Hueminjie, and markets. Well, before I close this article, let's learn what I try to remember, right? Taking aim at, up and running, a litany of applications and services, a litany of applications and services, a litany of applications and services. Well, that's it. Thanks for listening. Have a great Wednesday, hump day. Bye-bye.